Hey everyone! Did you know that some e-bikes today can travel up to 100 miles on a single charge, long enough to turn your weekend adventure into a full-blown expedition? That's right! In this video, we're diving into the best e-bikes for multi-day trips. Machines built to keep rolling when the road doesn't end. Whether you're planning a cross-country trek or a long backcountry ride, this list has something for every explorer. So, buckle up and stay tuned till the end, because the difference between these bikes might just surprise you. All the links are in the description below. On number 6, 1000-watt folding electric bike. Starting off strong with the 1000-watt folding electric bike. This one's a compact beast that blends raw power with convenience. Packing a 48-volt 20.8 amp-hour battery, it reaches speeds over 30 miles per hour and stretches up to 80 miles of range. Perfect for those who want a foldable option without sacrificing power. Compared to the larger bikes in this list, it's the most portable, ideal for van travelers or campers who want easy storage. The fat tires and solid suspension make it comfortable across terrains. But at nearly 70 pounds, it's not exactly lightweight. The 1000-watt motor gives it an edge over most folding models. But when stacked against something like the 1500-watt Happy Run, it feels slightly tamer in acceleration. Still, for riders looking for a balance between portability and punch, this e-bike is an excellent pick for moderate-distance touring. What do you think? Would you trade a little power for foldable convenience? Let me know in the comments. On number 5, Happy Run 1500 watts electric bike. Next up, the Happy Run 1500 watts. Electric bike is for riders who crave adrenaline and range in one rugged package. With its powerful 1500-watt motor pushing speeds up to 32 miles per hour and a 48-volt 18-amp-hour battery delivering about 68 miles of range, it's a serious upgrade from the previous model. The 20-inch fat tires handle anything: sand, snow, trails, you name it. While it's heavier and less compact than the folding 1000-watt bike, it's also far more capable in raw terrain performance. When compared to the upcoming 2500-watt Great Work, the Happy Run offers a balanced middle ground, not as wild, but far easier to manage and more affordable. Riders looking for high torque, hill climbing strength, and solid distance coverage without venturing into full dirt bike territory will find this the sweet spot. It's a powerhouse for adventurers who want strength without overkill. Would this be your perfect travel companion, or do you crave even more muscle? On number 4, Great Work 2500 watts peak electric bike. Now things start to get serious. The Great Work 2500-watt peak electric bike is a monster built for riders who want the thrill of a dirt bike and the freedom of an e-bike. With a top speed of 37 miles per hour and a 1200-watt-hour removable battery capable of 100 miles, it's made for those who refuse to settle. The full suspension system and 20-inch fat tires provide incredible comfort and stability across rugged terrain. Compared to the Happy Run, this is pure overdrive. It's faster, smoother, and more powerful, though also heavier and pricier. It's like comparing a sports car to a rugged SUV. Both powerful, but this one roars louder. However, this power comes with regulatory caveats, as many regions classify it beyond standard e-bike limits. Still, if you're a long-range adventurer or a weekend thrill seeker who values range and comfort equally, this bike dominates the middle ground. What would you choose? Versatility or raw speed? On number 3, 2,000 watts. AllTerrain electric dirt bike. The AllTerrain 2,000 watts electric dirt bike is the versatile performer of the group. It gives riders control with switchable 1,500 watts or 2,000 watts power modes and speeds up to 32 miles per hour. Depending on your setting, it can cover between 55 and 80 miles per charge. Unlike others with fixed tire setups, this one offers a unique choice: 16-inch or 20-inch fat tires. That means you can pick between compact maneuverability or better ground clearance. Compared to the 2,500-watt Great Work, it's slightly less powerful but far more adaptable, making it ideal for riders who split time between city streets and dirt trails. Its flexibility makes it perfect for multi-day trips involving diverse terrains, urban paths one day, forest tracks the next. It's not the fastest, but it's easily one of the most customizable. So, if agility and balance matter more than raw output, this might be your match. Which setup would you go for, compact or full size? On number 2,